wall. Face. Thank you. When I uncuff you, put your hand on your head. Turn to face me. Hand down.
Is there hair or anything?
Not today. Same here. When I uncuff you, hand on your head.
Whatever.
Turn. Hand down. Alright, when I uncuff you, hand on your head. Turn to face me. Hand down. Alright. You are all getting fingerprinting and you get a phone call, alright? Start with you. Name?
Luna. Ray.
Birthday?
January 27, 1999.
Address?
752 West Coleridge Street.
Alright. We're going to start with your right thumb.
Okay. Is this even all necessary if we haven't even seen a judge yet?
Yes, this is your intake.
This is so stupid.
Left hand. Thank you. Right, you next. Name.
Lauren the Workman.
Birthday.
9/17/98.
Address.
Same as Luna's.
Okay. Right thumb. Left. Thank you. All right, your turn. Name.
Mackenzie Johnson.
Birthday.
October 13th, 97.
Same address.
Yes.